Hello there, this is fairbinaryoptions.com. I'm looking at let's write here fairbinaryoptions.com. I'm looking at the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, and actually we looked at the pair this week as well, or the previous week as well, with some bullish highs. As you can see here, the market is forming all this consolidation area here with one purpose, and one purpose only from my point of view. That is a triangle that should act as a reversal pattern. It means a triangle that should break to the upside, and all eyes on the pair all eyes are staying on two different areas. First of all, from my opinion, like mentioned on an analysis this week as well, this area here is an area where stops are let's say are staying there, and normally this area here represents a strong resistance, but not as a strong resistance like the previous one, like this one here. So 99.60, 99.80 is a nice area for, or is the area where this market is going. In terms of value at ways, what do we have here? Well, we have nothing but a contracting triangle, and the contracting triangle actually to have the B2D trend line to be this one here, from here to here, so this to be the B2D trend line, and let's make it a bit bigger like this, and of course the ANC trend line. But if you look at the ANC trend line, normally it goes from here and to here like this. This would be our triangular formation, or maybe even here like this. I would have nothing to argue, something like A, B, C, D, E, and this to end the ANC trend line. So normally from this moment of time, this is nothing but an X wave. Let's put it as an X wave. Like this. Then we have, like any contracting triangle, we have 5 different legs here. So this would be wave A, this would be the B wave, this would be the C wave, A, B, and C all the way down here, and then the D wave. And now we're looking for the triangle to be probably completed, I would say. If not, but we're looking for the B2D trend line to be broken. Now the trading plan for the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar into next week is quite simple. We should look for the B2D trend line to be broken, and by the time this one is broken, definitely we want to buy call options with end of week expiration date like this. Or if the E wave is not completed and the market still retraces to the downside here, we'd like to buy call options on this series, on this area here, like this. So again into 98.40, so 30 pips lower. Why? Because we have a series here of lower highs, of higher lows, sorry. There is rising, so we like to benefit on that move as well. So if it comes here, we buy call options. If the B2D trend line is broken, we buy call options. If the market is going in a break, I'm looking for the market to go and take the 99.9980, so basically the parity level there. But look for it to go 99.60 and then to stay to form a consolidation area here. We only want to buy, not to sell. The area is too small for that, let's say, parity level not to be touched. And the target is going to be parity here. Make no mistake. Maybe not, of course, on Monday, maybe not next week, but this is what attracts price, the parity level on the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. So let's write here on the screen that the plan is, first of all, looking to buy call options by the time the B2D trend line is broken, looking to buy call options into a dip in 0.9840 area, and of course still looking to buy call options by the time market clears 0.9960 area. Well, there is the plan, of course, for all of them. End of week expiration date for all of them. Let's make it a bit bigger so that everyone can see our trading plan on the Australian dollar and Canadian dollar for next week. Thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com. Only upside to come for this cross. Bye bye.